Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this pump action drain Unblocker from PowerFix Profi. Environmentally friendly cleaning without using the harsh chemical. 6 pieces inside, quickly unblocks sink, bath, showers and toilets. High pressure built up with a simple pump action. Includes 2 sink attachments, 1 toilet attachment, 1 shower attachment and 1 overflow sealer. See some specs in here, how it looks. Nice. Now let's open the VC, what we have inside. Okay. First of all, we've got the manuals, and of course if you want to read it, it's your choice. Some accessories inside. Now, here's the nozzle, the pressure vessel, here it is, the pressure release screw, here, the trigger, the handle, the locking ring, this is the locking ring, yes, and this is the pump plunger with a pump handle, overflow seal, this is it, big rubber, plate attachment is about 20 centimeters of length, small rubber 7.3, here it is, big rubber attachment, and the small rubber attachment. Nice, everything that, and I think it's time for testing to see how it works. Now for our sink we need to use this or this. It depends what diameter has your sink. Just install it right here. It's nice. You need to pump, of course. Screw that very nice, good. Pump it. In the point that you cannot do anymore, and then if you push it, you will see the pressure comes out from here. Let's see that in action in my sink. Well, here we are. We're trying to use this to my sink, and again pump it as I said, in the point that you cannot pump anymore. Nice. And stick it inside and press the button. And you hear the sound for the water is coming out. You can do that multiple times. Okay. And again, press it. And yeah. That's nice. Of course, it will be wisely to close, and this hole because is communicating with this hole, and then you can do this again. Well, now we can try to my toilet. Now for our toilet we can install this huge. Okay, nice. And again we are going to pump it. Okay, and here we are into my toilet. You can push that. I already pump it, and then press the trigger, and you can see the water goes further down. And you can do it again, just for fun maybe. And again, you can pump it and press it. And that's how you can clean your toilet with that. Well, let's see to my shower now. Now into my shower, I'm going to use this one. Let's take out that, install it. This, and then we can install and that. Again, pumping, a lovely process. That will be nice if it can work with the air compressor. You can push it directly here, okay, and then release it. Okay, and again the same thing. Nice. Again, push it and release it. Nice. Now let's move on to my kitchen sink. It's the same process. Let's pump again. Okay, nice. Put that inside and blow. And again, if you have a double sink to your kitchen, you need to fill the other hole, not getting out the air. Nice. Well guys, here we are. I think you have made your conclusion. This tool, it only costs 10 euros, and for me it's going to do the job. For 10 euros, why not buy it? Definitely sometime in your life it will be useful to your kitchen, to your bathroom, to your shower, toilet. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.